Hello to all the YouTube fellows, how have you been? So today's video is all about some modern English sentences because you may get bored by saying the very common sentences again and again. So let's kick it off. The first is stop meddling. Whenever you want to say to someone next time that stop interfering in my life, you can say instead stop meddling in my life. Right? So that's how you use this sentence. Where next is I'm off to bed. I'm off to bed means I am going to sleep. It's quite same as saying I'm going to sleep. Then you can say I'm off to bed. If you find my videos informative or according to your point of view, then you can subscribe my channel so you can get to watch more videos like this. Next is let's kick off. As I used this sentence before, starting anything, you can say let's kick it off. Let's start. Right? Let's kick off the game, or let's kick off the debate. Let's kick off the journey. Anything. Before starting, if you want to say to start something, then you can say let's kick it off. Next is I'm off. Means I'm leaving. So you can say I'm off to office, I'm off to home, I'm off to school, I'm off to university. That's how you use this sentence. I'm off. Or you can just simply say I'm off. I'm leaving, right? The very next is I am into it. So it shows your interest in something. Like if you are really interested in buying books, or you are really interested in buying jewelry or buying clothes, then you can say I'm so into clothes, I'm so into jewelry, I'm so into books. It shows that you have quite a deep interest in that certain stuff. Next is I'm fit as fiddle. Means I'm perfectly fine. So you may often heard saying to someone that how are you? And a very common reply is I'm perfectly fine, or I'm fine, thank you. So instead of saying that usual sentence, you can say I'm fit as fiddle. The very next is I'm so into you. It means I really like you a lot. I'm so into that person, or that person is my crush. And you can say I'm so into that person, I'm so into that girl, or so into that boy. That's how you use this word. Sorry. Sentence, right? Very next and the last is I'm worn out. Means I'm very, very tired. So let me tell you this, I'm very worn out today, but I'm still making this video for you guys. So please appreciate it. So I'm worn out. I won't be able to perform any tasks because I'm worn out. I'm tired. Last but not the least, please try to speak as much as you can, no matter how much mistakes you can do in talking, but still talk. Only then you can get fully command on this language. Spread good vibes around you. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.